Hello friends, hope you are doing good. As mommies, we are always looking for ways to keep our children engaged. That is when I came across Xplorabox, which has a host of different activities that the kids can enjoy at home. So Xplorabox is a homeschooling program designed in a box which is delivered to your home. It mainly focuses on learning through play, developing essential skills in the children like fine motor skills, cognitive skills, analytical skills, sensory skills, eye-hand coordination, and other developmental skills. Their write and wipe activity cards are very engaging. This complete skill-based program is great for homeschooling. It contains complete day-wise activity plan covering all the topics. I ordered their Nursery learning program kit and I'm happy to see Shaurya enjoying it. It has innovative activities to make kids smarter and sharper. They have various programs for different age groups. As we are worried about TV and mobile addiction, this homeschool plan is the perfect solution for kids. Each learning package is designed to deliver not only knowledge enhancement through different activities, but also development across 13 essential developmental skills through various activities targeted at each of these skills. This Xplora learning package is filled with loads of games and activities that will introduce your child to experiential learning and keep your child engaged for days while learning about a new topic every day. You can opt for their 3 or 12 months learning program on xplorabox.com.